Are you one of those people that when you get a brand new bar of soap from us, the edges are a little sharp? We've had many people tell us through the years that the bars are pretty sharp and that it's a little uncomfortable with the first shower. And we don't trim any of the soap. We don't rinse or wash. We don't steam our soap. You get every last bit of this soap that we make. So here's a suggestion. When you first get your bar of soap, take a washcloth and wet it. And put your bar of soap in there. And move it around. And get that brand new bar of soap to kind of suds up a little. And go on the edges of this part that you don't like. And just wash that bar of soap. And then turn your water back on and rinse that new bar of soap. And you'll notice that your corner edges have now softened, and you've got a washcloth that you can wash your hands or your face with or get in the shower with. You can get the full scent of your new bar of soap. And that's how you soften up your bar of soap from us.